everyone! In today's video, you have the chance to win 5 nail packs. Here's how to enter. Watch the video carefully and write down the 5 numbers that appear. Comment those numbers below. Well, reply to your comment with our Gmail, send us the numbers and your shipping address there. Don't forget to send us a screenshot showing you've subscribed to our channel. From the first 100 comments, we'll do a lucky draw and pick 5 winners to receive their gift right at home. And this is just the beginning. We'll keep giving away gifts. So stay with us and don't miss out.